we're gonna do Fidget. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. We're gonna do some of my little dumpling, my squishies, and you might not know this one because I got it from one of these dumplings. We also got dumplings and needles, and we both got Labubu's and rubber ducks. So, if you guys want to comment down below if you guys want to be in one of our videos, we might do a video when we're not in the house. If you see us and we're not in the house, you can take a picture, or we'd probably let you be in one of our videos if you can come to the place we're going to. Speaking of that, now we can start the video. So Dad, which one do you want to start with? You're gonna be the person that grabs some of these, and I have to decide if that's enough. And if you guys know what this button does, tell me in the comments, because they only use, we saw on YouTube, they only use the X and the check mark. Okay, Dad, so what one?
Pick one thing?
You can pick, if I do this, then you have to use more. If I press this, then that's enough. So pick some. Nope, gotta get more. Put back the boo-boo. I want to do the boo-boo. No.
Put it back?
Yeah, put both of them. Sorry, save that.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do I pick again?
Yeah, because I do not want to get those.
Pick again?
Yes! So Okay, so those are all mine.
What?
Yeah, that's how it works.
Now you go?
Yeah, but I want to put back on mine. And by the way, the ones that he chooses, he's not going to keep them. It's just for fun. Now you're moving it. Now let me pick some.
I'll take them all.
No! We're not. Okay, no, I made the decisions.
Okay, you ready? I'll go with the gold. Okay.
Never the first one. No.
How does this end?
Once.
You don't know, do you?
Hey guys, so sorry we paused the video. I know we're in 3 minutes in the video, but make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. And remember I said, if you guys know what this one is, please comment down below. So now, on the last round, because it's in 3 minutes in, I'm going to be closing my eyes while you pick some.
Alright.
And you got to tell me which one you got.
Alright, go. Oh, I pick?
Yeah. Oh, wait, never mind. I pick.
So I'm picking.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Don't peek.
Okay. You have to tell me what it is.
The gold one.
And?
The blue square.
Okay.
The Labubu. Red duck. Blue. Purple duck. White duck. The fake thing. The yellow. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so I am keeping all these.
You keep them all.
Bye, guys.
That was